What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make guacamole. So, cheers and let's cook. The first thing we're gonna do is break down 4 avocados. To do that, we're just gonna take a knife, go right in, cut around the avocado, around the pit, we'll twist it. Got one side, no pit in it. Just scoop all that out into a bowl. Then, to get the pit out, use our knife, give it a whack, twist, pit's out. Discard that, and we'll scoop out the rest. Now we're just going to do that to 3 more avocados. We got all the meat scooped out of our avocados, so the next thing we're going to do is cut a lime in half and squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. That lime juice is going to help that avocado not oxidize and turn brown. Squeeze all that juice in. And we are ready to mash our avocado. Now to mash our avocado, I'm going to use a pastry cutter, which you could always just use a fork. That would work fine. This will give you a little bigger chunks, and I like my guacamole a little chunky. So we'll just go ahead, start mashing that all up. Avocado's all mashed up, so now we're going to take 1 jalapeno, cut the top off, cut that in half, scoop out those seeds. Now I'm going to do a small dice on my jalapeno. Jalapenos all diced up. We're going to go into our bowl. Up next is 2 Roma tomatoes. Just cut those tops off. Cut them in half. Now I'm going to use a spoon to just scoop out all those seeds. Seeds are out. Now we're going to do the same thing as the jalapeno. Just going to julienne that and then give it a small dice. Tomatoes diced up, going into the bowl. Next, I got a 1/4 of a red onion. Gonna give that a small dice. And into the bowl. Next up is mincing 3 cloves of garlic. And that is minced up nicely. So, into the bowl. Now the last thing we need to chop up is some fresh cilantro. Got about a 1/4 cup of cilantro here before it's chopped. Once it's done being chopped, it'll be about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons. Cilantro's looking good, so you guessed it, into the bowl. All that's left is seasoning that with a teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Now I'm just going to fold that together with a spatula until it's all nicely incorporated. We got a super delicious, super fresh bowl of guac here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.